Hello, good morning everyone. So I woke up early. I go to my yard. I water my plants. And I'm gonna be cooking the mackerel with the sour leaf. The very delicious leaf for the meal today. Before we lift this down for the water to run by itself. Follow with me so we can start frying the mackerels and how we gonna cook them for the simple meal. So this is my mackerel fish that I fry it up right now. What I do is I'm gonna add on some of the remaining water. This up. Bây giờ cho bánh nước nóng đi kìa. Chili. I'm gonna cook them with the sour leaf chili powder. And this is water. Just hot water. When you add it on like this, it will cook the mackerel softer before you put the sour leaf in. Delicious. After you put the hot water in, and then it's boiling like this. So when it's boiling like this, it actually cooks the mackerel and make it softer when you fry them, right? But it doesn't leave you any fishy taste of the smelly of the fish. So I let it steam cook like this for at least like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna start add on the green leaf. So we just wait. So while waiting, I'm just continue to water my plants. I have a dragon fruit toast, the trellis. That I took it up all the red and white dragon fruit, and I'm about to blend the yellow dragon fruit in. So today is a backyard work for me. I'm gonna show you how we do the post. If you want to do it for yourself, your garden, you can, for planting the I can leave it right there for the dragon fruit. This is how I have the trellis over there with the dragon fruit on it, and I used to have a pot right here. So I removed the older pots because it's been years, then now we make the new one. This is what we did last night. We take off the old one, we put this one in. There is a concrete that you buy in it, and you just throw it in, and you put the water down, and you just try to make the pots hold like this. Then after that, we wait until today it's dry, right? Then we put all of the soil back. Then we can start planting the dragon fruit for the yellow one. That's gonna be our next process today. Like a few minutes past. Ooh. I was from the other side of the yard and come back here to check on the fish. You see how it is? I have the sour leaf in the frozen bags. You buy the leaf fresh and you clean them up, and you just set them. And when you eat them again, it's fresh like this. This one is very sour. You can cook on any sour flavor you like. Exactly with fish, chicken are the best. I'm be generous. I put a lot of more for me because I have a lot. After I add on the leaf, see how green it is? It doesn't give the brown look until later when it's cooked. But the leaf you buy it from the market, that I found, and then you save it as a freezer, frozen, then you can cook them whenever you want it, and it's always delicious. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna close it and wait. This is a quick cook of the fasten setting. This one right now, when you do in pots like dragon fruit trellis, you don't actually need to mix them. To only put it in whatever pots, and then you just pull in the water, and then it's blended itself. It doesn't have to be mixing by hands anymore. And to make the trellis stay longer, you need to use redwood. This redwood, it's gonna be stand up and stand for years. You don't have to worry about it probably more than 10 years later. And you see this guy, it's also a redwood too. Strong and holding a lot of weight. Like a few 100 pounds, that's normal. See, all mine, it's been years, and I don't know when it's time, to be honest, to make the new pots. But when it's coming to the new pots again, I will be probably take all of them down and redo them all to make it fresh look. Now it still have a lot of fruits here, see it? And the flowers too. It's beautiful flowers still here due to this month is October month, and it still have a lot of flower growing, see? Here and there. Flowers, beautiful flowers, and fruit too. And up here it has some fruit. And over here, fruit and flowers. These are red dragon fruit. My yard is very small for many of the plants because I like it. The weather here is hot, so I try to make sure that I got the shade for my puppy. So that's why I plant a lot of trees in the back room. Just let the puppy play freely. They asking me questions when I don't know the answer because I'm cooking and doing yard work at the same time. I'm doing all the yard things right now. I'm gonna trim them a little bit to make sure it's clean, See, now you can walk through it. Daisy asked me if I still need the ingredients here. I said, I don't know. I have to check. You see the fish down here? But when the sour leaf penetrate into the fish, oh my God. This is my favorite. Maybe a little bit more fish sauce. Since Tracy asked, we're gonna add on a little bit more fish sauce because the sour leaf make the salt be gone away, right? So what we do is we add on a little bit more, and take about probably 10 more minutes before we can have the milk. Since I'm in the backyard, I'm gonna make sure I trim everything because I think this guy is too much for the plant, for the tree. I'm gonna actually clean them up. You know, you see me down here, that's okay. I have to clean them, make sure it's all good. I can't do this side, I have to go to the other side. I cleaned up the other side already. Now I'm gonna clean up this side because I don't want to see too much of them. So I'm gonna clean them off. You can see me over here. This one I have to clean it down. On the other side I couldn't get it. Go to this side so I can get it off. I can keep it, I can keep it. Let's get it done, take care of it. Clean it up, you know. Make the tree look more lighter. Because the fall coming in right now, we don't need them too much. Right? And so big. Look at this. All of my sour sop. Man, I cut them out. See, after I clean them, they look nicer because they've been sticking out too much, and I wasn't happy with it. I was trying to clean them, you know, and it's time to do it. I have to get all those leaves away because those are huge leaves. Also, I'm gonna have to do that. Yellow leaf, the dead fruit, gone, everything down. So in the morning, you will see me go around my yard doing a little stuff. Ooh, yeah. I'm checking on my fish now. Oi, smells so good. Take about maybe a few more minutes to get ready to eat. I'm gonna go prepare the rice and the drink, and then when it's done, we can eat together. Okay. It's fall right now, right? So we need to trim all the tree and let it sleeping. So this one I trim them, but in the top I don't trim them. I want to make sure I have like top, bottom have to be clean, but top is okay. It's all of the lip we need to clean up now. While I'm doing all the work cooking, I still let the water run, you know, for 7 times. And watering my plant at the same time when I'm cooking and doing stuff. This is my routine morning. I won't be able to do it during work, right? Hours. So I do it early morning before they started. I give them some water. All of my plants need water. Whatever big tree we have system. These we have to give them the water by hand. See that? Oh, big song right here is my passion fruit. I'm gonna actually clean them up here too. This yellow one, because fall coming out, so that's why they happen. The deep yellow. Here I got the rice already. I got mine a tiny bit. Got Tracy the big one. Now let's double check. Ui cha, good huh? Gonna leave it on the side. Turn on the stove a little bit more. I have my clean gloves. Feel my hand wet with the water in over there. So I add on whatever the green onion left. Ui cha, cha. Then we're gonna ready to eat. Close it for a second. After you put the green onions, look good, right? Now it's ready to eat. See it? The green leaves. Add on here. Ooh, cha. The plate. Now it's for Tracy. See the fish? After you cook them. Now the fish is very soft. And I have a little rice, but I'm gonna still put on right here for me. Some of the leaf. Green leaf is the best leaf. Over here. Wow. How good it is. This is all you need. Nothing else. If you know how to eat this, you will say, oh wow, I want some. Now call Tracy. Tracy! Tracy is out already. Hello everyone. So now we just eat because I've been doing around the yard. And then I cooking at the same time. And you see me cooking the fish. It's really good. So good. Taste to see if it tastes good. We need maybe we need chopstick.
Nó nhanh không?
Như sao rồi? Nước good hả?
Tôi có phép nguyên bệnh luôn hả?
The punch energy drink. We steal it from Lina. Tracy just give me the chopstick because the fish. I need a chopstick. I'm Asian. So good.
Nó nhanh không? Nó nhanh không?
Tracy keeps saying the sour leaf is good. And it's good for real. It's not like whenever Tracy says something, feel ham. Nãy giờ không mời mọi người ăn luôn, mời mọi người ăn nhé. Cheers. Cheers. You can drink from there. Ngon à.
Ngọt.
Sao mình không mua mấy này gì uống?
Không bán, không biết đâu bán. Không ở trong cái cồn hay đâu. Không biết
So
hỏi gì
good.
nào.
The taste of the highlight punch drink so delicious. I like it.
Chứ rồi hả?
Where can we buy it?
Hả?
Where can we buy it?
Không biết. Hỏi gì nào. Không biết
Thôi
có-
rồi matcha.
Không biết có cồn có bán không?
Baby. Giờ ra ngoài làm con chuyện không? Không chạy ra ngoài à? Đúng rồi. Không mới ra ngoài nữa hả? Hả? Chở. Hay không được ăn gì bỏ đi.
Không có, còn kia ngon thấy nó kìa.
Mất lịch sự. Chặt mất lịch sự. I eat with chopstick. I don't eat with the spoon anymore. The spoon for the rice only. So delicious. If you haven't eat the
Sao?
mackerel cooked with the sour leaf, you missing something. So good. This one is our people, Vietnamese people know, maybe Cambodian know. Cambodian well know up La Giang là sour leaf luôn. Because it comes from the forest. It comes from the far end forest. And people bring it to their town, their village, and blend it. But it's so good. We have some of the pear that we pick up from our tree. We're gonna have it as dessert, huh? So a small clip that I doing some yard work. I show you trimming on my tree, watering, and then I show you the trellis for the dragon fruit that I'm gonna plant for the yellow one. That project gonna be finished tonight, not right now, because
Lina.
we wait for Lina. The mackerel fish. We went fishing at the Bao Islands pier. There's a lot of fish when you go there after 11 p.m. You can fish a lot of fish for real, huh? When you put down the fishing hook and then you using their own fish to fish the fish, they eat their own fish, huh? Their own kind. So cook them fresh and eat them fresh. I will see you guys for the next video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you and don't
Thank
forget
you.
to subscribe, huh?
Subscribe
And like for me please. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.